Okay, so I'm gonna do one last little unboxolation. And this one's from CVS, because you know, I'm that kind of dog. Yeah, I dig me some Sephora and that, but I also like to go on over. Good God, they got this thing trapped in here like it's gold. So I got my Neutrogena. I got the, can you see that? Let's try to get it right. Retinol Rejuvenating Cream. Rapid Wrinkle Repair. I wouldn't say I got rapid wrinkles, but I'm trying to prevent everything. Neutrogena with retinol. And then I got the retinol serum here. Can you see that? And let me just take it out of this. I use this every morning. How do I show it? Okay, that's a little better. Every morning and every night. And this I use the same every morning. Oh, come on. Ooh, this packaging, this is a lot of waste, baby. Look at this, and then look at, even with the thing closed. Look. Neutrogena. You all clean and fabulous. This is ridiculous. But this is not. This, I put it on after my serums and things to add some moisture. And this is, I go to bed feeling good. Sometimes I do it before I put on my makeup and I'm just like, dang. My skin is skinning before I even apply the makeup. It feels so good. It feels that bouncy when you snap it and it bounces back at you. When you take your hands, it's like, no, it's sticking to you. That's what it feels like before you put makeup on. So I don't want to put the makeup on because I don't want to lose this. But underneath the makeup be some super duper happy skin. Very, very hydrated. So we got the Neutrogena team on the daily, just because I use the other stuff when I'm, doing videos or doing other people or stepping out and I need to be super duper duper beat. But Neutrogena is as good as any really expensive skincare. They're that good. Just saying. So, thank you.